Hey guys, Taylor here with Vannon, and today I want to give you another tour of a new custom-built Mission Series van. This particular van was built for a client that professionally shows golden retrievers across the country. So this wasn't just about building an adventure van. This was about creating a premium mobile environment that keeps both people and dogs comfortable. Starting on the outside, this is built on the Mercedes all-wheel drive 144 Sprinter platform. Up front is a flatline wraparound bumper with bull bar and Baja design lights. You'll also notice a lot of signature Vannon components throughout the build, including our Vannon V1 running rails and bumper step. As for the ride, this van is sitting on the Agile Pro rip kit with Agile XT wheels on Hankook Dynapro AT2 275 tires. Now moving into the main living space. This is where the Mission layout really shines. One thing we obsess over at Vannon is utilizing space. We want every inch of the van to have purpose without making the interior feel crowded or overbuilt. The front seats swivel around, creating a really comfortable cafe and lounge area. This becomes a great place to work remotely, relax between events, eat meals, or just decompress after long days on the road. This van is equipped with a full off-grid electrical system. It's got integrated power management, refrigeration, lighting, ventilation, charging systems, hot water, heating, really everything you need to comfortably live and travel full-time. Even simple things like cabinet construction and latch systems are designed around long-term durability. We call this bench the R2P2. It houses the dry flush commode. In the rear sleeping area, the bed system sleeps east-west with a large 68 by 79 inch mattress. So we focused on keeping the space open, warm, and functional while still maximizing storage underneath and throughout the van. The garage zone was specifically designed for caring for and transporting show dogs. We integrated secure kennel systems that can be accessed both from the inside of the van and from the rear. The goal is to create a space that feels calm, temperature controlled, easy to clean, and comfortable for the dogs during long travel days. And honestly, that's what this whole build is about. Creating a premium mobile environment that supports both the owners and their dogs while traveling all over the country. This van is exactly what Vannon is all about. We build performance, custom adventure vans designed around you, your lifestyle, and wherever your adventures take you. For more information on Vannon performance vans and parts, check out vannon.com.